Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are enjoying your holidays, but you are missing your game spirit and ground also. So that's why I'm going to teach you standing bowling action. It will help you to increase your bowling speed and increase your bowling stamina and increase your bowling strength. Really, it will help you. So do this practice every day at home in front of your mirror. If you want to become a good bowler, then you have to do first this practice, this standing action practice every day. Then your ball will go to the stump to stump. You will attack directly stump to stump. That's why for good bowling posture, you should do practice every day bowling practice. So this bowling practice, this standing bowling practice action we are going to do because it is very important for a good bowler. That's why we are learning this bowling action. First we are learning this bowling action. So this bowling action we are going to do in a 4 count. In a 4 count we are going to do this bowling action. You have to keep stance in your feet like your shoulder distance. How is your shoulder distance? If you don't know, so stand, keep your feet straight, then take one foot like this, two side, and where your toe is coming, so take that distance. This is the perfect your standing body posture. If anyone push me, so I will not lose my weight. I will not lose my body. Okay, I will not fall down. Understood? Very good. So first stand like this. This is the starting position. Then hold. This is the ball. See, this is the ball. You have to first you have to hold like this by 2 fingers, and thumb will be supporting and other 2 finger will be side. You get it? If you don't have ball, don't worry, let it be. If you don't have ball, assume you have ball. And which is your, if you're a right hand person and if you're left hand person, hold in that hand ball, and otherwise assume. So now I am assuming I have one ball. I am keeping like this grip. See how it is. Very good. You have to hold like this. Then first takes proper stance. Very good. Then stand like in running action, running position. This is the running position. How we run? Where we keep our hand? Here. So stand here. Keep your hand here. Keep your hand here. Little up towards your waist, little down towards your chest. Between them, between chest and waist, your hand should. Then assume. In 4 counts we are going to do. First count, ball hand will come up till your face. Don't keep your hand very far. Okay. See, now I am a right hand person. I am holding my ball in my right hand. I am taking hand in front of my face. 1. Then 2. Automatic my hand will go down, ball hand, and supporting hand. Supporting hand will come up. Both hands should be parallel. See again I am showing. 1, 2. It will be parallel, and I am moving towards right side because I am a right handed bowler. I am moving that side. 2. Then 3. I am lifted my left knee and my left hand also coming front, and my right hand and right leg is back side. See, you can see from back side. See how it is my action. And now 4, I am lifting my left leg towards front and going to follow through. Get it? So now see, again I am showing in 4 count standing bowling action. See, listen carefully, watch carefully and do it in your action. 1, 2, 3 and 4. See, again I am repeating. 1, 2, 3 and 4. How my left leg is coming? It's coming like this. And be carefully, your both hands should come towards your ears. Okay, touch your ears. Okay, like this. Your hand should not far away from your ears. It should be close. And do practice in front of mirror, because during this lockdown period I can't come in your home, and your mirror will be your coach. So you can see what you are doing mistake. Do every day at least 50 times. Then see what happen after 4 days. Your bowling action will good. And after that I'll teach you higher level bowling action. I'll improve that. God bless you. Stay blessed. Bye.